kung hindi tayo believe. And I would like to tell you that you are carrying and you are writing about a product that we all can be proud of. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At remember, hindi dahil taga Minola po ako. Nasa Minola po ako since 1985. Medyo matagal na. Some of you were not even born siguro noong time na yun. But some of you, mas... In fact, si Dr. Dahil, sinasabi ko sa kanya kanina, maski sa father niya, si Dr. Tondado, siya na rin mismo yung mga advocates ng coconut oil since the start. And remember, nasali na rin sa kanyang anak. And I'm really happy that dito siya, na siya nagsasalita because he's the authority of coconut oil. Ang dami na, itong coconut oil, produkto ng Pilipinas. Pero mismong mga local doctors natin, yung iba hindi believe. And that is why I'm happy that Dr. Daigin is here because he's one of the chief proponent talaga na talagang dinidefend niya ang talagang efficacy at beauty ng coconut oil. So again, about being Dr. Daigin. So again, hindi ko na po katatagalan closing remarks na po ito. Nagpapasalamat po muli ako sa inyo lahat on behalf of Minola, San Pablo Manufacturing Corporation, sila Ruby, sila Anker, and the rest of the management of our team. Kayo po ang inaasahan din po namin na talagang tutulong sa amin. And we are really very grateful to you. And that is why this day is for you. We are acknowledging you and we are appreciating and we appreciate all your efforts on further promoting a very wonderful product like Minola Cooking Oil. God bless us all.